Welcome to Launch and Market Your Online Course. This is one of our ready-to-teach programs that you can learn from yourself, then brand and teach as your own. But first, a couple questions. Do you have customers or clients who want to create and sell online courses? Do you want to deliver and earn from your own course? If so, then you're in the right place. We have several brandable, done-for-you programs on creating online courses, and the one on this page focuses specifically on the launch and marketing side. So let's say you have an amazing online course that you created. You've put your heart and soul into it. You've spent days and months developing it and setting it up online. But how do you actually get people to enroll? How are you going to make sales and earn a return on all that hard work? Well, that's what we cover in Launch and Market Your Online Course. I'm Sharon Sheldon, founder of Content Sparks, and I've been creating business training programs for over 20 years now, working with both Fortune 500 companies and small business owners and consultants. Now, most new course creators struggle with marketing their programs. They may be experts on their particular topic, but selling is something they're uncomfortable with. Often they just don't know where to start when it comes to promoting their course. Well, in Launch and Market Your Online Course, you're going to teach them how to do things like build a sales page that converts, design a course sales funnel that attracts leads and moves them on a journey to becoming buyers, generate excitement about their course with enticing content, write emails to engage leads and convert prospects to students, create a webinar to increase conversions, and much more. You'll get all the materials you need to deliver on your promised results too, including student materials that include everything your students need for learning the topic, instructor materials to help you deliver the course and keep in touch with students, and lead generation materials to help you attract students to your course and build relationships with them. Now, there are screenshots of all the content further down the page, descriptions of each of the 12 modules in the course, and even a sneak peek video where I go inside the content you'll get and discuss a little bit about how to use them. But what's important to know is that all the material is editable, so you can customize it to your own audience, add your branding, and then use it in a variety of ways, such as to attract new customers and clients with a valuable free training, create a new stream of income with your own paid online course, workshop, or membership site. Keep your current customers coming back to you again and again by offering free or paid training and resources. The options are endless, but you need the content to make it happen. We've done all the hard work for you by researching, designing, organizing, and creating the materials for the course, all using our combined 50-plus years of experience developing training programs. Now, all you have to do is grab your license by clicking on any of the Add to Cart or Get Started buttons below. Add your own personal touches and put the content to work for you to grow your business. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I'm looking forward to seeing what you do with your new course. Take care.